The Toyota Supra is an iconic sports car that has a rich history, known for its performance and distinctive design. The most recent generation, the i90, was released in 2019 as a collaboration between Toyota and BMW, blending Japanese engineering with German precision. Below is a detailed overview of the Toyota Supra. Overview. Name: Toyota Supra, i90. Manufacturer: Toyota. Production period: 2019 present. Body style: two-door coupe. Engine: inline 6 and inline 4 options, depending on market. Transmission: 6-speed manual, a select trims, or 8-speed automatic. Platform: joint development with BMW is shared with BMW Z4. Engine options: 2.0L inline 4 turbocharged engine, Toyota Supra 2.0. Power output: approximately 255 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque. 0 to 60 mph, around 5 seconds. 3.0L inline 6 turbocharged engine, Toyota Supra 3.0. Power output: 382 horsepower and 368 lb-ft of torque. 0 to 60 mph, around 3.9 seconds. Performance: one of the standout features of the Supra is its dynamic performance. The inline 6 engine offers a balance of speed and handling with a rear-wheel drive layout. Performance and handling. Suspension: adaptive suspension with dual-chamber dampers for improved ride comfort and handling. Handling: the Supra has a highly responsive steering system and a near-perfect weight distribution, 50/50, contributing to its agility on both roads and racetracks. Brakes: large ventilated disc brakes for exceptional stopping power. Exterior design. The i90 Supra features a modern, aggressive look with sharp lines, sculpted bodywork, and a prominent front grille. It draws inspiration from both the classic Supra, i80, and contemporary sports cars, making it a striking visual presence on the road. Interior. Seats: sports bucket seats, with available leather upholstery and power-adjustable options. Infotainment: 8.8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, and a premium sound system. Dashboard: driver-oriented cockpit with a clean, minimalist design. The digital instrument cluster offers real-time data for performance metrics. Technology and features. Safety features: Toyota Safety Sense TSSP, including pre-collision system, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. Infotainment system includes navigation, Android Auto starting from certain model years, voice command functionality, and smartphone integration. Pricing. Base price: around $43,000, and for the 2.0 model. Higher trims can go upwards of $50,000 and for the 3.0 model, depending on trim and options. Special editions. The Supra has seen limited special editions over its production cycle, such as the i91 edition, which offers unique styling elements, including exclusive color options and additional performance features. Driving experience. The Toyota Supra offers an engaging and thrilling driving experience, particularly in the higher performance variants with the 3.0L engine. The car strikes a balance between comfort and performance, allowing drivers to enjoy both daily commutes and spirited drives. Racing heritage. The Toyota Supra has a significant motorsport heritage, especially in various forms of racing, including drag racing and drifting. It's also widely known for its role in car culture, particularly due to its iconic status in the Fast and Furious movie franchise. Competition. The Supra competes with cars like the Nissan 370Z, Chevrolet Corvette, BMW M2, and Ford Mustang GT, but stands out for its blend of Japanese engineering and European influences from its BMW roots. Fuel economy. Fuel economy, a 93.0 L, around 24 mpg city/31 mpg highway. Fuel economy, a 92.0 L, slightly more fuel efficient, with estimates around 26 mpg city/32 mpg highway. Conclusion. The Toyota Supra, a 90, has established itself as a high-performance sports car with a modern yet timeless appeal. It offers a thrilling driving experience, advanced technology, and a strong racing heritage. Its partnership with BMW has given the Supra an extra edge in terms of engineering, refinement, and driving dynamics, making it a standout option for sports car enthusiasts.